We all agreed on the three things. One is that, and we welcome that from the original position of the task force saying, wag na lang, baka magulo yan. We said, oh sige, sige, okay, okay. Hanggang even Ayungin Shoal, although that's controversial, but you should pass through that. And then, ang ano naman nila is, pwede bang wag ninyong ipilit na sasampa pa kayo sa BRP? Unang-una, that's a military facility. You really need military permission for that. And more important, we don't want to cause unnecessary tension. No? I'm sure, pasok pa lang nyo sa Ayungin Shoal, magre-react na ang China. Eh lalo na pag lalapit pa kayo. So, ang agreement is, sige, let's work out the route. Come as close as possible. Ang sabi ang language nga nila, kahit hanggang magkawayan man lang kayo para alam nilang nandyan kayo. But the goods, the packages, kasi marami yon, siguro ipasa na ninyo doon sa isang malapit na, what they call it a feature base, not formally an island, na meron ring mga troops natin. So from there to there, or maybe through the regular resupply route. The final details still to be worked out. But in principle, yun ang agreement. Tuloy tayo, it's a civilian initiative, pero we take into account the government's caution na wag nang mag-create ng unnecessary cause of tension. Plus, wag nating isubo yung mga kahit super enthusiastic yung mga kabataan and others who want to join. There will be another smaller send-off at the San Fernando port near El Nido in the evening of the 9th, and then early morning of the 10th, magse-sail na yung flotilla together with the Coast Guard. And hopefully, no hits from the weather ang una namin pinoproblema. Pangalawa lang ang Chinese. Tatlong options kasi may smaller islands, mas malapit pa kaysa Pag-asa na may troops rin. Sabi nila baka mas madaling doon na ilagak. Kasi Pag-asa is a little bit further pa.
Okay.
We were calculating na even with the best of weather, if we sail early morning on the 10th, it will take the best of 2 days bago magkabalikan. And if bad weather, tumagal pa. So, the closest land site na pwedeng paglipatan ng goods that we cannot directly transfer, they offered two small, little known, ang tawag nga features there, not even islands. Pag-asa remains an option, but it was the original main option kasi established ang government doon, may local government. But if there is something closer and nearer to offloading, okay. At saka yung iba naman, iiwan na lang sa Palawan and be delivered na lang in the next supply mission. Because remember, it's not just BRP Sierra Madre that we are assisting. We're going to give gifts also to the Coast Guard, and more important, to the fishing communities, no? Not just in Palawan, but up to our north hanggang Zambales po.